welcome back to another Kennicott Floral Spotlight video, where this week we're going to continue with our winter series, and we're going to highlight a few of the great winter items that you can get through Kennicott Direct and through Kennicott.com and shop Ilex. And these are just a few of the numerous items that are available at Kennicott through our online offerings. But let's get to the first one. The first one would be stock. Oh my gosh, is there anything better for Christmas type arrangements than stock? You get this nice pure white and that spicy fragrance. Now what I did with this bunch is I did cut it and leave it out overnight because I wanted it to perk up, I wanted it to fluff out, and I wanted the tops to straighten up. Because, I mean, we all know this isn't exactly what the stock will look like sometimes when you get it, because it's come right out of a box. This is just a quick little thing you can do. It doesn't hurt it at all. Let it sit out overnight. And again, it gives you that nice full presentation. And then you go to Kennicott.com, shop Ilex for our amazing selection of Dutch items. And some of the really primo Christmas items that are on there right now. Here's one, would be the Dutch Ilex. I mean, to me, there's nothing better than Dutch Ilex. And let me show you a little trick. Look at this. Do you see berries falling off? No, that's Dutch Ilex for you. And I mean, here's a single stem. Look at how much material is on a single stem of this. And you can buy it at various centimeter grades. This is the 50 centimeter. You can buy it shorter, you can buy it taller, and that's all available through Kennicott.com and shop Ilex. And then also from Holland on there this week would be the Christmas tinted Hypericum. And this is a 4-color mix. You get gold, red, silver, and copper. You can also buy these by straight color boxes. But what a neat, fun textural item to add to Christmas arrangements right now. And then the last item I wanted to show you from Kennicott.com and shop Ilex would be Christmas pack tulips. This is a 15 pack. It came in, I put it in water, I wanted it to sit out a little bit so they would straighten up and color up so you could really get the full effect of this. But yeah, this is Christmas pack tulips, available Kennicott.com, shop Ilex, and you can buy them in various packs. There's 15s, 20s, 25s, 30s, 35, whatever works for your situation. Anyways, that's what we've got for this week. As always, thank you for watching Kennicott, and we'll be back next week featuring some more amazing blossoms.